Hey everybody, it's Nate, and this is going to be a short video on how to change the settings in your Chrome browser on your Chromebook to allow for Flash to run. The reason this question's come up a couple of times for me is I know some of you are trying to have your students upload or create audio or video files directly into Canvas and submit those to you. And Canvas uses Flash to do that. And so we need to change the settings to allow Chrome to allow Flash to run. Flash is sort of on its way out, but there are still some websites that utilize Flash for some video. Some of your online textbooks may use Flash as well. So this is how you would yourself on your Chromebook, but also instruct your students on how to allow Flash for specific websites. So I have my Chromebook open here. I've got my Chrome browser open. I'm going to go up here to the upper right. These three vertical dots in Chrome language, that means kind of more options. So we're going to select that, and we're going to come down here to the bottom where it says settings. So I'm going to open up my settings window. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and you'll notice there's an advanced button down here at the bottom. We'll need to open that up. So I'm clicking on advanced. This is some more advanced settings. Excuse the bell ringing there. And then we're going to scroll down. So again, I clicked on advanced, and now I'm scrolling down, and I am going to select content settings right here. So I'm going to select that. That's going to open up my content settings, and you will notice Flash is one of those. So I'm going to click on Flash. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that this is toggled on, this ask first. If this is off, it's going to say block. So we don't want to block Flash. What we're doing is trying to allow Flash. So we're first going to turn that on. And what this will do is when Flash attempts to run, it's going to ask permission before it can run. So you'll just have to say OK when you're on the website. And now we have to tell it which websites we want Flash to be able to run on. So I've already done this, but I'll just do it again. You're going to click Add, and you're going to need to type in the web address for whatever site you want Flash to be able to run on. So if we're talking about Canvas, here at South Madison, the address for Canvas is smcsc.instructure.com, and we are going to add that to our list. Now, mine was already there, but it's there. So you don't have to add all of the stuff after the instructure.com that's specific to your course and all of that. This will allow Flash to run anytime the student or yourself is at smcsc.instructure.com. If your online textbook uses Flash, and you've noticed the Flash isn't running, you would add the web address for your online textbook there. Any other websites that you're using, you would do the same. So again, you go to your settings, advanced settings, content settings, make sure that this first option is toggled on, and then add the address down here of any site that you want to allow Flash to run on. Hopefully that helps. If you still have questions, let me know, and we can schedule time to work. Any questions you might have about Flash, if you're still confused, let me know. We'll schedule time to work through it. Again, you need to do this on your Chromebooks, and it also needs to be done on your student Chromebooks. So maybe you want to walk them through this process if Flash is not working for them.